Guys, so we made it to freaking Fort Wayne. M5 CS over here, bro. Let's go check this out.
What?
Yeah, bro. That's what I'm saying.
With this carbon.
Yeah.
Right? To like hold your balls. Hold on. OMG, dude. Hold up. These seats are perfect.
These seats are perfect.
Were made for me.
Right?
But it doesn't have center console.
So is this real carbon too?
Oh yeah. Carbon weave, dry carbon.
Is it real carbon? $180,000.
All dry carbon. On a $200,000 car. Yeah, is it? Is it?
Is it real carbon?
Is it real carbon?
Hey, sir. Is that real carbon? That real carbon fiber.
Dude,
look, it's over here too.
Seats. The back seats, they even get.
I just want to keep looking at this thing. This is sick.
Isn't that good?
Look at the side profile of this seat.
It's made for you.
Skirt. Dude, these seats are insane. Look at this. It's like carbon like everywhere. Carbon
bro,
bucket
they
seats.
Hug you.
Yeah.
Could you imagine
dude, this car.
Could you imagine this in the M3?
Bro, it's right there. I don't know, dude. There's like gold on the front of it.
Yeah, and then
it's matte gray.
Matte gray with the gold.
This in the daylight, dude.
M3 g80, bro.
And which I gotta drive all day.
You stalled the f out of that. There, now you can see it up there and not shift like a girl.
Bro, same thing in my car. I was messing around doing manual shifting. You would think going up would be like upshifting and down would be downshifting. And BMWs, it's reversed.
Yeah.
Downshifting when I should have.
My bad. Hey.
Bro, let's better go in
Yeah,
here.
we better go
They're
in
like
now.
closed. We're showing up like right when they close. It even says M5 CS right there. That's it. What do you guys think, man? This is like, it's hard to see, man, in a low light, but let's see if we can do it. Dude, what's this? Ain't like the Mikey Premium when you put your foot on the brake and it starts. I literally got to start it every time.
Yeah, you gotta put your foot on the brake. Yeah, if you do the remote start.
That's some real problems, dude.
Oh, wow. Man, life sucks when you have to put your foot on the brake and push start.
All right, you guys know me. I'm tacos for L. We had to get some tacos. All right, Zoe. Cheers, brother.
Toast, bro.
Cheers, bro.
To the M5. All right, boys. You know what time it is. Carne asada.
Quattro. Oh my gosh, bro.
Sounds so good. Well, I guess I gotta drive this back. I had to flip the freaking coin. Best out of 3 and the first 2 were heads. So it's a good problem to have. Where's that vet?
Yellow lights.
Here he comes, dude.
Hey BMW, turn off heads-up display.
I have deactivated the head-up display.
have a whole new appreciation for this car. This is insane. Race car, dude.
It is a race. It is not like, it is.
Hey, B-Cow. Be proud as though he's got driver gloves like you. You guys could be BFFs, man. You just gotta display them on the dash. Where's my ND filter? Dude, we just ripped the shit out of this M3 Comp. This car is in freaking insane. Oh my God, it smells like rubber so bad. There's my new daily. We'll check that out later. M3 in the seat. So we had a great time. Went and checked out that, what, F90 M5. Dude had it spec, didn't like it, drove it from the East Coast out to here. So more to come on that, stay tuned.
We ripped.
we filled it, we just went through a half tank of gas in like an hour. Oh, it smells so good in here.
Like, damn, he's tight in here, bro. Can you imagine the M8? I'm gonna have to park him on this side.
The M8?
Or I mean, even the M5.
The M5 CS. Is that Whiskers?
Whiskers. Cricket.
Cricket with the flannel?
Yes, he does. What's up, Pimpin'? Oh.
This is some good problems to have. Every time I come over to Zoe's house, I like to sit right here. It's like my psychology chair for editing. Yes, let's chill. Super awesome. We drove that car so hard. Oh, this is crazy with BMWs. You know how you open the hood? You pull it once like that, there's no latch up front. You have to pull it again for the second time. And that releases it.